Hey guys, let's do a quick swatch test of the Vaseline Emily in Paris Tinted Lip Balm. So it comes in 3 shades. They have the Rogue Romance, Parisian Pink, and Nude Nouveau. First one, the Nude Nouveau. For a tinted lip balm, sobrang pigmented niya. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. This is the Nude Nouveau. I love it. Okay, so let's try next naman the Rogue Romance. Ito yata yung parang pinaka main shade nila. So ito yung may pagka-red. Oh my gosh. I'm really not a red girl, no? Pero if you're into red, napaka-pigmented niya talaga. Grabe. And super red siya, no? It's perfect for those na super white ng skin. It's actually very pigmented. And very pigmented siya, so I have to wash my lips para lang mawala siya, no? So I'm gonna be using the Alba para mawala yung color. Ayan mga sis, nag-wash pa ako ng lips ko para lang fresh yung canvas natin before natin i-try yung last shade nila. Last shade mga sis, ito yung kanilang Parisian Pink. Ayan, so let's see kung magiging kamukha natin si Emily in Paris. Charisse! Packaging niya medyo kahawig ng red, no? Pero pink siya. We'll see. Diba? May pagka fuchsia. Ang fuchsia spell. Oh! Ang cute niya. Ang ganda niya. Ang bango. So, ayun, medyo matapang din yung pagka-pink niya. It's actually fresh. Diba? I love it. Ang ganda ng tinted lip balm ng Vaseline.